Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today video is about how to repair a cordless doorbell which have a damaged button and or in my case my button have been stolen from my door. So how can you use the cordless bell without wireless button? So watch my video till end and like my video. Now firstly the things you needed are a push button of a doorbell, normal button, and a piece of wire. And now I will open the doorbell, remove the batteries, locate the screw. Here is, open it. Now the circuit is visible. Again you have one screw on the circuit. Also remove this. Viewers, some doorbell may have one button or some have three buttons. So if your doorbell have one button, then watch for its circuit, its button. Inside these are small mini black buttons. If you have three, then ignore the volume button and look for the other two buttons. All you need is to solder the wire of a push button on any of one of these two buttons other than the volume. If you have single button, then no problem, you can solder it directly on it. Now firstly install the batteries again and watch for the connection, that which points you have to solder. For example, this is the first button, viewers. I will short 2 points. Look at this, viewers, the bell is ringing. Now I have to solder my wire 1 point here and 1 point here. I will solder it. Viewers, this is very easy. You can reuse your doorbell, cordless doorbell, if you have lost or your outside cordless button or it have been damaged by something. Solder like this, the points I have told you. Now take the other end of the wire. I will fix this button on a board. Like that. Now take the other end of the wire and connect here. Tight it. Now our connection is okay. I will close. You can make a little cut here for the wire. I will use my soldering iron. Where wire could easily pass, like that. Now I will tighten the screw. Close the cover. Now I will close the tight the other screw. We'll insert the battery again. Our connection is ready. Doorbell. You must watch this. This is the button. Look at this, viewers. Our doorbell is working now with the help of this button. Whenever you lost a button or your button cannot be repaired off a cordless wire, you can connect a simple button like that with the help of a wire and use your unserviceable cordless bell again. Hope you have liked my video, viewers. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.